Good day, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Only one body.
Good. Today we are learning new words. Please, can someone make a sentence with suffocate? Don't worry, sit down.
Sir, suffocate them with your bum. Suffocate them with your bum. Suffocate them with your bum.
Come on, stop that. What's the meaning of that? Okay. Correcting.
Small hands they shake.
Small hands they shake.
Hey, God.
Suffocate them with your bum. Suffocate them.
Come on, stop that. In my class? Get out of my class.
Sir.
Sorry about that. Please, let's continue.
Sir, let me follow them.
School petenya.